job out there! That's weird. There's a change starting to take place in this scroll.
I wonder if what they're really after is the energy generated by fixing this change in history.
If so, I'll be there. First, we need you to go in, investigate the cause, and try to fix it.
So, what do you think they plan to do with all that energy they've been gathering?
Gathering an amount of energy that enormous, they would be able to revive the demon realm easily.
The demon realm, eh?
It's the home of Toa and Dabura. That's pretty much all I know about it.
Well, that doesn't surprise me. There aren't many that know about it. It's all the way on the opposite side of the universe, after all. Toa's intentions can't be good. She might be trying to destroy the barrier between our world and hers.
If she succeeds in that, who knows what might happen?
With half of the universe becoming pure evil, you can't expect anything good. That's for sure.
Then we won't let them do it. We have to stop them, no matter what it takes. I wish we had more help. If only my partner were here.
It's been quite a while. That's worrisome.
Well, you know, we're all after Mira, so we're bound to meet up sooner or later. We found another scroll. The one that was changed this time contains the resurrected Frieza.
Frieza again.
Frieza's no joke.
Aware of that. But we fought before, and I won that battle, if you remember.
Foolish child! Never underestimate an opponent! If you think for 1 second a single swing of a blade will win this time, you'll be sorry! Frieza is a born warrior. He's never trained a day in his life. If he suddenly felt the urge to improve himself, his power would be unimaginable.
In this altered history, Frieza's training and strength are far greater than before. To put it bluntly, he's on an entirely new level, so make sure you're ready for that.
Is he really that much stronger?
I'm afraid so. Do your best out there.
Anywhere. I suppose I can wait. In the meantime, I'll amuse myself by killing all of his companions. I hate to do this, but I guess I have to help you. Hey, citizens! You're now a temporary member of the Super Elite Electro!
Numbers. And the power coming through feels so strange. So you can't hold the rock until my dad knows the rock. What is that? That Bulma has a couple of really powerful friends.
Wait, aren't you related to Frieza? Have you drunk your cities or something?
What's going on?
Well now, this is remotely unsuspecting. The Frieza was out of their way to kill you. Quite kind of them, wouldn't you say? Goku didn't even try to kill me, despite my unsuitables. Everyone has such splendid, wonderful manners, don't they? It makes me want to love.
Won't end that.
There he is! Frieza's finally shown himself!
I was aware the Frieza force had been slipping, but this is disturbing! I do believe you'll provide some amusement for a short while. You are one of my people, so you should be very aware of what I do with Frieza.
Is actually losing ground!
Not yet. I'm a monster beyond our understanding.
But now, we all rush him?
Leave me out of this one. I've done enough for you as it is.
Hey, Goku is ready for instant transmission, so raise your power as high as it'll go!
Alright, let's do it!
Do this every time. Seriously.
You're coming. A valiant effort.
It's like too hot. We're getting some bad interference. He really does. How in the world did he come back?
So, you're here at last. You did keep me waiting. But at last, the hour of my revenge is at hand.
You really have changed, haven't you?
I changed colors to make it easier to understand. You may call me Golden. And recently, this change affects all the So, you're still Super Saiyan.
It isn't over yet! It isn't over yet! note is plain. This planet's Dragon Balls can grant 2 wishes. So, guess who's back? It's Cooler! He looks just like Frieza!
Weren't expecting this, were you?
With new power! Today our family is going to rise again once more! So you think we'll let that happen? This one's mine to deal with. You can handle Frieza. Hey! You're also taking on that ball. Then you'll do as an opponent. But even the two of you are no chance beating me. There's nothing in the universe we can't handle.
This is a strawberry sundae? It seems to be using that ice cream stuff as a base.
And this is good. It reminds me of something fancy giant strawberries. It's so juicy and delicious.
You hear me?
What is it?
Know that learning from me is a privilege!
This can't be!
It's over, Frieza!
Yes, for all of you!
Over here, quickly! That was a close one. We almost suffered the same horrible fate as the planet.
Oh dear. Was Earth destroyed?
Frieza did it, since he can survive in the vacuum of space.
I see. He can be a quick thinker, too.
Who cares about any of that? What happened to my cream puffs? I'm not going home on an empty stomach.
Oh, come on! It's not like this is my fault! A woman named Toa is responsible for calling you here.
Toa hacked into the Time Nest communication system to call you out here, Lord Beerus. It seems Toa used some sort of device to impersonate the Supreme Kai of Time.
When Earth was destroyed in the correct history, Whis rewound time to restore it. But, since the two of you are here, you can't do that now. History has been changed.
It seems we fell for it this time, Lord Beerus.
Oh, that is it. No one tricks a god of destruction. Where is this Toa woman? I'll destroy her for good.
Sorry, but we're not exactly sure. But they are trying to change history, so if we fix those changes, then they might show up. Maybe.
Whis?
Understood. At once, my lord. We shall return to the true timeline. I shall begin rewinding time.
You only have a moment.
Yikes! That was close! It almost wiped out my entire planet! Thanks! You're the best!
You will not be getting another try at that little trick.
Earth is safe and sound. Still in for Toa's tricks. Frieza and Cooler are still powered up. Go and help Goku and my dad. This time, big beating will save it isn't over yet.
That's right. Shall we get on?
I don't think it'll be that easy.
This time, I'll make sure you don't come back.
Their methods are, of course,
It isn't over
they're
yet.
much stronger than yours. Even Goku and Vegeta in their current states will have a hard time with this.
Yeah, I guess so.
Hey! Aren't you gonna help them?
I'm trying to, but this one isn't mine without it. I'm only here for Toa, but I suppose I'll cheer them up.
It isn't over yet. It isn't over yet. This is the end of the line, Frieza! No! You're both finished! Make sure I never see you again! It isn't over yet!
You'll soon find I have higher expectations than my little brother.
Thanks. You really helped out there.
And just who are you anyway? I'm guessing you're some random friend of Bulma's.
Come on, there's no need to pry. We should be grateful. I don't know. For some reason, this doesn't feel like the first time you've given me a hand. Anyway, if you ever need help with something, you can always count on me. You did great today.
That was a real mess, wasn't it? I'm glad it all worked out in the end.
It did not work out at all. Toa never showed up, did she? This is so annoying. I really need a bit of stress relief. Would you mind if I destroyed this place?
Please don't do that! Listen! Toki has finally laid the egg! You can't go and disturb it now! You'll ruin everything!
Well, you certainly have a way with words, don't you?
Really? Toki just laid an egg? That's cause for celebration. Lord Beerus, you are aware that I will not stand aside and let the egg be destroyed, correct? If you are in need of stress relief, perhaps imprisoning the Elder Kai would help. What do you think?
Oh, yes! If that's what it takes, please go right ahead!
What are you saying? No one's going to allow that to happen.
How sad. It appears there's little choice. I will assist with your stress relief, if it pleases you, Lord Beerus.
Oh, it's been so long since we've sparred. This will be a treat.
And what about you? Interested? This is a rare training opportunity.
You really are trying to turn our star employee into the next god of destruction!
Perhaps. There are tough battles yet to come, right? Then the more training, the better, I would say.
Whis doesn't hand out offers to fight just willy-nilly. You'd better take him up on this.
First, I should find a more suitable location. I shall summon you once it's adequately prepared.